Hey everybody, it's Mr. Ferguson with your cycle review for cycle 2. This is for my white through yellow decideds, my low ranks. If you are a camouflage and up, here's going to be the next video. So today we're going to go over everything you need to know for testing, adjusted for what we got through this cycle and everything we need to do. So I'm going to start with your form, weapon, and then we'll do your board breaking and your self-defense. So with your form, we had 4 combos that we worked on. Combo number 1 was our reach back, block, step up. Just the reach back and block, step up, front kick. One more time, reach, block, step, front kick. Combo 2 was round kick, twin low block, just like this. Combo 3 was our block, aim, punch, step, block, aim, punch. Combo 4 was knife hand strike, round kick, double knife hand block, or double outer forearm block. So in total, putting it together, we have 1 extra move, is that punch after section 1, and then we have the full form. And this is what you're required to do at testing. It looks like this. Yeah. And that's it. Now for your weapon, that got everything perfect. For your weapon, you were required to do segment 1 and 2, just combo 1 and 2. That's all it was. We had our high block and rear stance. We went up, back, left strike up to bazooka, and then right strike into a front stance. So again, in total, it looks like this. And then combo 2 was uppercut, overhead, low block. All together, all you need to do for your form is this. We have just like that. And your tricks, all we need is the eagle spin. Remember, that was start on one side, pinch it up to here, create that eagle, kind of like the shadow puppet, on top, and keep it rolling the same direction, okay? Here, here, here. And when you do it again, make sure you catch on top, not underneath, because then you shorten up your eagle. You want it to do more spins, so match thumb to thumb at the top when you turn. Next is wrist roll. Again, thumb toward the middle, roll it over. Super easy. Again, thumb up, let go, and it'll just naturally roll over your hand. You can do the same thing the other way. Start on this side and roll it towards your pinky, okay? Number 3 was your figure 8. Hands are together, thumbs facing one direction, kind of like you're golfing, going this way. We're gonna go thumbs down, making a big, wide, sideways 8, like an infinity, and then you can slowly loosen your hands up, and that'll get smaller and smaller. And again, we want to bring it to one hand eventually. In and out. Notice my thumb is still pointing in that direction, but eventually I'm going to make it just a pinch with these 2 fingers, kind of like an OK, and let it spin as close to my body as possible. That's going to be a really good figure 8. And to make this a really easy drill to practice, try going between hands like this in that figure 8, okay? Awesome, and that's all you need to know for that. Now your board break was your round kick and your back fist. We're gonna do both this week. But again, back fist, remember thumb down on your ear, other hand underneath, twist, smack it as hard as you can, just like this, boom. And your round kick, when we do board breaks for round kicks, again, we hold the board about 45, but I still want you to turn your hips all the way over. So again, that belt whip, remember, this part here. I'm gonna turn, toes turn, knee turns, foot this way. Point those toes so that we're hitting with not the tip of our foot, but more of our ankle instep part, okay? And then your self-defense, we also did last week and this week. That's all we're doing is the front choke. So hands are on our shoulders, we do the pluck, right foot goes back, right hand palm heels, and then you're just gonna push off, say get away from me. High ranks, of course, are gonna add the side control. So again, we're here, pluck, push with the palm heel, push away, get away from me, and it's super, super simple. And that's all. That's all you need to do this cycle for testing, okay? It feels like a lot, looks like a lot, but I'm only gonna ask you to do the form, the combos, and your weapon form and your combos, and then a couple times for your self-defense, and you have to break your boards once. So I'm super excited. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you this week in class and next week for reviews.